Hi everybody, Derek here for Musical Journeys Through Cinema. Today I have with me these EcoSmart 60-watt light bulbs. They are soft white colored, 800 lumens brightness, and they're in a 4-pack. This is the box it comes in. You can pause to read the information if you need to. Open it up. You got your 4 light bulbs right here. Let's take one out. This is what they look like out of the box. They're really light, easy to hold, fits in your hand nicely. That's the screw mechanism right there. And I have them in my bedroom light right now. That's what they look like when they're plugged in and turned on. That's what they look like when they're off. It illuminates the room very well. 3 light bulbs is all I need. And if you need less, they'll still illuminate your room as well too.